Hey guys, I got my package with my trucks and steering wheels from havok fingerboards in the USA. I got it on Wednesday. So yeah, let's open the package. Sorry about the weird voice, I'm just a little sick. So yes, I opened the package and I see some stickers and some other stuff here. And the package is empty. So yeah, let's open it. A havok fingerboard sticker big. Very nice stickers. It's like a flamingo, you see them in Spain. Oh man, this is just thick, man. No. Well, this trucks are better than body trucks, I think. See this? And the small havok fingerboard sticker. And the last thing I got my bearing wheels. Series 4, I think, and the Series 2 truck from havok. So this is my unboxing for my havok fingerboards, my first one. And yeah, I'm very happy. So I'm gonna set up my low pro deck. Watch that unboxing please. And yeah, thanks for watching and please subscribe.